we are doing a shower valve in this little channel because they screwed us. Ain't nothing we can't handle though. So these black lines represent the layout. So here we basically took that same layout, this representing the floor, 20 inches to the tub, top of tub. We're gonna go 25 to the center of the tub spout, 36 to the center of the valve, 36 to the center of the valve. And we're gonna set the fixed head at 6'10". That's gonna be 6'10". And this right here is your standard layout for a tub shower combo.